Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
This video shows how to use the Chunky plugin step by step. Start by confirming your host application and Chunky version compatibility. Confirm you have at least v1, 2, and 512 MB RAM available. Locate the plugin file named Chunky Plugin. Zip in your Downloads folder. Prepare a sample project so you can test output quickly in 2 minutes. We will walk through installation, basic settings, and exporting chunks. Keep a backup of configuration files before you change any default values. Open your host application and choose Plugins, then Install Plugin from the menu. Navigate to Chunky Plugin. Zip and click Open to start the installer wizard. Review the license and accept terms to continue with the default path. Choose optional components like texture cache and debug tools if needed. Installation completes in about 30 seconds on a modern machine. Restart the host application so the plugin registers correctly with the system. Verify installation by opening Plugins, then selecting Chunky from the list. Open Chunky from the Plugins menu to access its main panel. Set chunk size to 3, 5 inches or 90 mm depending on your project units. Adjust quality to 75% for balance speed versus output fidelity. Select an input area and click Slice to generate a list of chunks. Preview each chunk and apply corrections like overlap or padding if necessary. Export using Form 1099 compatible naming or custom prefixes and numeric indices. Save.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.